The next stop is
Welcome to China's Everything Vlog from People's Daily. My name is TJ, Japan Tianjiao. As a Beijing local, I guess almost everyone in Beijing knows the Drum Tower, but only few people, including myself, have ever stepped inside.
Built in 1272 during the Yuan Dynasty, the Drum Tower announced time during the Yuan, Ming, and Qing Dynasties.
Plenty of people don't really know the Drum Tower is actually open to the public because the main south gate is usually closed, but actually the entrance is on the north side.
The two-story Drum Tower stands 46.7 meters tall. To reach the top, climbed 69 steep steps, 60 for the 6-year Chinese calendar circle, Jiazi, and 9 for China's luckiest number. And yes, there are drums in Drum Tower. Inside stand 25 massive Chinese drums, 1 main drum for the year and 24 others for the 24 solar terms, 节气. Each is about 2 meters tall and 1.5 meters wide.
The daily drum time call is history, but they still play on the hour. Without further ado, let's feel their power.
The drum tradition started over 700 years ago in the Yuan Dynasty. All 25 drums once played 108 beats in 5 minutes. Today, only 3 drums are played, but the sound is still thunderous.
Wait a second. So how did the drummer know the exact moment to strike so precisely, especially centuries ago?
Surrounding the main drums are historic time announcing tools, timekeeping incense, bronze eclipse draw, and the steely-shaped timekeeper, proof of how precisely the ancients could mark time, nearly as accurate as a modern watch. And please, don't rush off. The courtyard has a cozy coffee called Sip Time, featuring a red velvet cake shaped like a mini drum tower. Next door, the souvenir shop is full of clever designs. You can even stamp for your own keepsake, perfect for yourself, or as a gift, a little piece of history to take home. Step outside, you are in classic Beijing, central shops, street snacks, and creative restaurants. The most iconic? Douzhi, the fermented manbing drink. But if it's too strong, try it as ice cream, topped with crispy jiaoquan rings, a classic pairing. And let's see if the frozen version is easier to brave.
It's really interesting.
Around Drum Tower, the city changes, but this giant structure remains the calm heart of Beijing, like a gentle, loving mother watching over the children, reminding them when to wake, work, and rest. Its mission of announcing the hours may be over, but today it still links history and modern life with a steady, timeless presence.